Movie camera, welcome to our YouTube video showcasing the evacuation management system in PHP and MySQL, police light, office building. In today's demonstration, we're excited to introduce you to a critical solution designed to enhance safety and efficiency during emergency evacuations. Whether you're a safety officer, developer, or business owner looking to implement a reliable evacuation management system, you've come to the right place. Join us as we delve into the key features and functionalities of this comprehensive system. From real-time tracking and communication tools to detailed reporting and automated alerts, this system is built to ensure a smooth and effective evacuation process. Throughout the video, we'll provide step-by-step guidance on setting up and customizing the evacuation management system to meet your specific needs. We'll explore the core components developed with PHP and MySQL, showcasing how they work together to deliver a solution for managing evacuations. Stay tuned for an informative and practical demonstration ahead. Let's get started and discover the potential of the evacuation management system. Rocket, police light, hashtag evacuation management, hashtag PHP, hashtag MySQL, hashtag safety solutions, hashtag YouTube tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on safety technology and innovative business solutions. Let's ensure a safer environment for everyone. Office building, lock. Evacuation centers require efficient management to ensure that evacuees are provided with the essential supplies and services. However, the local government officers encountered serious challenges and difficulties in managing the evacuation centers. They usually encounter management issues like shortages in supplies and essential goods, errors in headcounts of evacuees, inefficient recording of information, and other related activities to be managed in an evacuation center. The capstone project, entitled Evacuation Center Management System, is designed to automate the management processes of evacuation centers. The said system will assist the local government disaster risk reduction personnel in managing evacuees and their needs. The evacuation center staff can electronically conduct all sorts of recordings plus an inventory of supplies for the evacuees. The Evacuation Center Management System is designed to electronically record information of evacuees, ensuring that all data is accurately captured and easily accessible. By employing an automated system, it aims to eliminate management issues commonly encountered in evacuation centers, such as errors in manual recording and inefficiencies in handling evacuee information. The system facilitates obtaining accurate headcounts of evacuees in every evacuation center, preventing discrepancies and ensuring that all individuals are accounted for during emergencies. Additionally, it aims to ease up evacuation center management by providing a streamlined and efficient way to handle various tasks, from recording evacuee information to managing inventory and supplies. Watch the video on how to use the project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.